Hey travel lovers, dreaming of starting your own travel blog in 2025 but don't know where to begin? Whether you want to share your adventures, make money on the road, or just document memories, this video is for you. I will break it down into 6 simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1: choose your niche. Before anything, narrow your niche. Don't try to blog about everything. Instead, pick a focus like solo travel, budget travel, digital nomad life, uh, food tourism, or luxury escapes. This helps you stand out and attract the right readers and eventually brands. Next, choose a blog name that reflects your style, something short, memorable, and travel related. Once you have got it, head to a site like Namecheap or GoDaddy, like GoDaddy. To register your domain, .coms are still the gold standard. Now, you need a place to host your blog. I recommend beginner-friendly hosts like Bluehost, Hostinger, or SiteGround. They often come with one-click WordPress install. WordPress is super flexible, and in 2025 it's still the best choice for bloggers. Time to make your blog look good. Pick a clean travel name. You will find free and premium options in WordPress or platforms like ThemeForest. Customize your homepage. Add a menu, logo, and a killer about me page. Start with 3 to 5 helpful posts like top 10 things to do in city name, how I traveled Europe on a budget, packing list for solo travelers, use free tools like Grammarly, Canva for blog graphics, and ChatGPT to help brainstorm ideas and outlines. Once your posts are live, start sharing them. Use Pinterest, Instagram, and even TikTok to drive traffic. And don't forget basic SEO. Use a plugin like Rank Math or Yoast to optimize titles and meta descriptions. Google traffic still rocks in 2025. Want to earn from your blog eventually? You can join affiliate programs like booking.com or Amazon. Offer travel guides or digital products. Work with tourism boards. Run ads once your traffic grows. It takes time, but it's totally possible. And that's it, your roadmap to launching a travel blog in 2025. Start small, stay consistent, and blog from the heart. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know what kind of travel content you want to blog about. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.